Snoring is a phenomenon that is troublesome for the sufferer as well as for the people around. It's one of the most common sleep-related problems. But what causes snoring? As we sleep, the muscles in our mouth tend to relax. At times, the tongue falls back. This obstructs the smooth passage of air, which in return leads to snoring. Also, at times, snoring is caused by external factors like physical exertion, consuming alcohol, and taking certain medicines. Snoring could be cured by using some simple home remedies. Put 2 drops of lukewarm ghee, also known as clarified butter, in each nostril, once in the morning and once before going to sleep. Brahmi is a very common Ayurvedic herb. For better results, Brahmi oil can also be used in place of clarified butter. Take a glass of warm water. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom seed powder, also known as elaichi powder. Mix it well. Consume this daily at bedtime. Take a cup of warm milk. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, also known as haldi. Mix it well. Consume this daily at bedtime. When you lie on your back, chances of your tongue rolling back towards your throat and blocking your airway are high. Hence, lying sideways is a better option. Try elevating the head of your bed by about 4 to 5 inches. This will curb the tongue from rolling back and ease the breathing pattern. You could also use cushions for this purpose. Smoking leads to swelling and blockage of your airways. Alcohol causes your muscles to relax. Avoid both activities to prevent snoring. Take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.